Alright, let's get right into it. Today we're doing butter chicken. Delicious. 1 tablespoon chili powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. A little bit of salt and pepper. And 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix that up good as we add some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. And lastly, a tablespoon of garlic. And then we give that a good mix. And this is going to be our marinade for our chicken. I've got 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already diced up into nice small pieces. I'm going to put those into a Ziploc bag. I'm going to add the marinade into the Ziploc bag and take out as much air as I can. And then mix it around real good. Make sure everybody's coated nicely. And we'll put that in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. Okay, let that get nice and coated. Now, we're going to take our Dutch oven. We're going to add some good olive oil to the bottom of the Dutch oven. And put the heat on medium-low. We're going to add our chicken that we've marinated into the Dutch oven, and we're going to brown it up. We're not going to cook it thoroughly. We're just going to cook it about 3 to 4 minutes just to get it nice and started. And we'll remove the chicken from the Dutch oven, and then we're going to take a diced white or yellow onion, and we're going to add that right into our pot. And we're going to cook up those onions until they're nice and translucent. Then we'll add a few cloves of garlic. About 2 is what I'm going with. Either the paste or microplaned or finely diced onion. Give that a good mix. Then we're going to add about 14 ounces of tomato sauce. And we'll mix that in as well. And then I'm going to take my hand blender and just to make sure the sauce is nice and smooth, make sure all those onions get chopped up nicely. Use that hand blender for a few minutes. And once the hand blender's done, the ingredient that makes it butter chicken, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter right to the sauce. Mix that in. And now our final spices. A teaspoon of the following: ginger, Garam Masala, ground cumin, smoked paprika, red chili powder, turmeric, and you may need to add a little water depending on how thick you want your sauce. I added maybe a 1/4 cup of water along with a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream as this cooked through. Now once we've got the sauce going nice, we're going to add our chicken back in. And we'll mix that up real good. And we're going to let that simmer for about 20 minutes. And then it'll be time to serve. I served mine over some rice. And it was delicious. It's a different dish, an Indian dish, but a delicious dish. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Alright, thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe and come back soon.